Welcome to the Baseball Day Bros, and today we are going to be testing these three bats to see which one has the most pop and if drip actually makes you better.
And we'll try not to get struck by lightning.
Okay. Alright. We're going to get 3 swings each with each bat to see which bat has the most pop. First up, the rolling Zyklon.
Oh my.
That one's got 95 off the bat. I like the feel. Oh, that ball was out of the park.
Get off, ball! So we got some weather conditions out here.
A little bit rainy. Still gonna hit.
Oh my, dude, get up, ball!
That ball is gone.
But we gotta go, it's raining. Ah!
Welcome back to the Baseball Day Bros. Welcome back to the Baseball Day Bros. Today we are going to be continuing part 1 of testing these 3 bats out because last time we had some weather conditions, as you can see. What's going on? Okay. Anyways, we're going to continue to test these bats out and see which one has the most pop. So from last time, I still got one more swing with the rolling Zyklon, and then it will be their turn. Okay, so now it is going to be Noah's turn to swing the rolling Zyklon.
Alright, now I get 3 swings with the rolling Zyklon. I'm gonna try and hit it. Try to get this pink look. Oh. Alright, this is the first swing. What a freaking barrel, dude. Well, that's first swing. Feels really juicy, got a lot of pop. That was dead center. We're gonna try to pull this next one. Alright, this is the second swing. That's gone. Oh my freaking goodness, dude. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this bat is got a little pop. That was dead center too. Alright, this is the last one. This bat sucks. Yeah, it's got a really good feel. I can feel the ball electrocate. Dang it!
Test out this juice icon. I didn't get it elevated to that crowd though. Yeah. That's perfect. Whoa, what is that power, bro?
Dang it.
Now we're gonna be moving on to the orange meadow. Okay. Oh. I should turn my phone. I'll go. It's time for the glasses on. Oh! Bro, that's all. How big is that? That bat is 29. Oh! So I've come to the conclusion that this bat sucks. Do not ever use that bat because all you're gonna hit is freaking barrels. Except they're not going there.
This bat is amazing. It's the best bat on the market. Go buy it right now.
Look at this guy talking. He's 4'9".
Oh really? You're 4'8".
You freaking suck.
Oh!
Yay! This is the bat I'll be using next. And I'm going 3 for 3 at 3 home runs. That's what we're going for. Drop 8, 29. Evan said it freaking sucks. It threw off the concrete. And we're gonna see if that happens. Yeah? Alright, first swing. Alright, here's the next swing. We gotta go yaya on this bat. This bat sucks! This bat actually sucks.
Hey, how do you feel about that hit right there?
That sucks.
Freak, you wanna get
Fight!
That seems to be the fan favorite.
No, it doesn't.
It's got slammed against the fence twice, stepped on, but it's my turn to swing the trigger, bro. Pull the trigger. Let's go. Oh, terrible pitch, but I like this bat. Okay, no, I got it. We're done. We're done. Had enough of this.
Hey, how do you feel about this bat?
It's the best bet, still.
I don't think it is.
On to the next bat. We got the Cat X.
Hey, outfield, bring it in.
Are you guys serious right now? Let's hit it over your head.
Oh!
Don't say the word he said after that. Don't be like Jaron Duran.
Oh! Oh!
Just missed that one. Was hit pretty well though. I'll take it.
Richie Cat X composite. Next. Alright, it's a good barrel. Good barrel. That jammed me a little bit. It's a good barrel, but that jammed me a little bit. Alright. I freaking told you. That's how you elevate to celebrate. He caught it!
Got it! Okay, now it's my turn to try out the Cat X composite. Oh yeah. Yeah, boss. It's not going, but I'll take it. Look at the best one.
Oh crap.
Okay, last pitch to end the video right here. This is the best one right here. Let's go. Oh, it went out. It went out.
Are you serious?
Okay, now I'm done. Sorry.
So this is our overall rating. What do y'all rate the Icon?
So the Icon, I think we can all agree it's the best bat. Number one.
It's definitely number one. Alright, he's got that. He's got that.
All right, what do we rate the Cat X, guys?
That's definitely
I
two.
rated a good. I give the composite a 5 out of 10 though.
Okay,
The
the Cat X
a 5 out of 10.
is the
way.
number 2 bat, and
The
And that
middle,
bat, a 0 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
it is the
10.
third bat.
Oh, watch out!
Oh my god! Okay, so that kind of proves it's the worst bat.
I hate that bat. You know how far? I mean, how
Meta
many
number
balls-
1, Icon 2, Marucci 3. That's my rating.
Yeah, he's just glazing his own bat because he's just. Oh,
go.
yeah, just freaking.
All right,
Gonna
so
go?
the official ratings: the Icon number 1, the Cat X number 2, and the Meta number 3.
Bro!
Nobody likes
Terrible
that
rating.